Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you guys can see by the yellow, all the yellow in the background, I am here at Dollar General. And I have an incredible deal that I'm about to show you guys. I'm going to say this is a run deal. It's not a glitch. It's not a glitch. It is a run deal. Run deal meaning the shelves are going to empty at any moment. So if I were you, I would go ahead and head on out the door. Let this video play as you're driving to Dollar General, because I'm telling you, the shelves are going to empty. You cannot wait. You must go. So let me go ahead and jump into the deal. But before I do, I need you guys to do me a favor, and I need you to hit that subscription button. I am on the road to 15K, guys. I know I wanted to get to 15K by July 1st. I'm not going to get there unless it's like a miracle. But I need to be there by July 15th. So I can only do it with your help. And after you hit that subscription button, I need you to hit that pound button. Pound the button next to it, the notification button. That way you'll get notified every time I put up a new video, and you won't miss out on any of these savings like what I am about to show you. All right, so guys, you need to get to Dollar General and you need to find the Scott paper towels, okay? So they have a couple of different kinds. They have the Scott paper towels 2 equals 4. They have the 6 equals 9, and they have the 6 equals 10, and the 8 equals 16. There's only one that you're going to get, okay? That is going to be an amazing, amazing deal. That is going to be the 6 equals 9, okay? That is these right here. Here is the barcode. Now, if you're putting the barcode into the DG app to see if your store has them, I'm just going to warn you, do not go by the inventory on the app, guys, because it is not always correct. The app is run by a third-party company, so a lot of the times the numbers that are in the app are not accurate with what is in the store. So if I was you, I would just go to the store and see if they have it. And I'm also going to tell you that when I looked on the app for these, they didn't show up on my app. But when I got to the store and I scanned them in the app, they showed up. I didn't have a barcode to punch in. So I just came to the store. So enough of me ranting and raving. I just want to give you guys a little, couple little pro tips, a couple of some information. So what you want to do is you want to grab 3 of these. The 6 equals 9. Okay, I just put these up here so that it's easier for me to show you guys. So ignore that. That's not right. They are $6.50 a piece. Okay, and I'm going to show you. I scanned it in my app. It's $6.50. Okay, you want to grab 3 of them. The reason you want to grab 3 is because you see here, it says save $3 when you spend $15 on select Scott products. So it's not all Scott products, but this is included. When you grab 3 of those, that's going to bring your total to $19.50. Now look what else pops up, guys. Hold on, let me grab these 3 and put them in my cart, because there's other people in the store and they're listening. And I don't want them to come grab them all and then I don't get any. And I'm the one that told you guys about the deal. All right, so I have my 3. When you scan it into your app, look, this cashback offer pops up. This just popped up today, guys. It is $2 cash back, and it's on a limit of 3. So that's perfect, because we're going to get 3 of these. 3 comes to $19.50, which qualifies us for the $3 off when we spend $15. So the cash back, the instant savings of the $3 you're going to get right away at the register. But if you use this cash back, you're going to get that in your DG wallet. Now, I'm not going to use the cash back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta. Ibotta has the same exact offer for $2 back, limit 3. The reason why I'm going to use Ibotta is for a couple different reasons. Number one, I get my money back in Ibotta, which is actually cash and not DG cash. That way I can use it at any store that I want. The other reason I want to use Ibotta is because Ibotta has different bonuses, like Weekend Warrior bonus, and they have this Carnival Cash bonus. So I'm going to get credit for redeeming 3 offers by buying this Scott. So that's going to help me get closer to my bonus. On another account, I only need 1 offer to get $5. So that's why I'm going to use Ibotta instead of the cash back. Now, what you can do if you want to do this deal 2 times, you can grab 6 of them. But you want to do 3 on one account, on one receipt, which would be for your cash back, and then do 3 more on a separate receipt for your Ibotta cash rebates. Now, please note, if you are going to do Ibotta, you have to make sure that your DG account is linked to your Ibotta account. You can not submit your receipt to Ibotta. You have to have your DG account linked to your Ibotta account in order to get the cash back. So guys, let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is going to be. Okay guys, so we are back in the car. Excuse the air blowing in the background, but it is hot. So I cannot do this video without the air on. So let's go over the receipt. Everything worked out perfect. So there's my 3 paper towels at $6.50 each. That comes to $19.50. There's the store discount of $3. That's the instant savings. Spend $3. Get $3 off when you spend $15. So my total was $16.50. We're not going to talk about tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough. So my total was $16.50. And then because I had my account hooked to Ibotta, look, I got back my $6, guys. $2 for each paper towels. So when you take the $6 minus the $6 from the $16.50, that means my total was $10.50. When you divide that up, $10.50 divided by 3. Oh shoot, I hit the wrong button. $10.50 divided by 3. That means we paid $3.50 for each paper towel. So that was like getting on almost 50% off because they were $6.50. So guys, go out and do the deal. Let me know how you make out. And until the next time, keep on saving.